In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to discover any duplicate listings you may have on your List Perfectly catalog that may translate to having duplicate listings on other platforms. It's an easy mistake to make, especially when you're new to List Perfectly. If you're moving all of your items from eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Etsy, to List Perfectly's catalog when you're first brand new and you're getting all your listings imported into the catalog and you're getting organized and starting to use List Perfectly to best streamline your processes. Mistakes can happen. Sometimes duplicate listings do happen. The way to discover them in your List Perfectly catalog, I feel the easiest way is to simply sort your catalog alphabetically. And then you can see if you have two listings exactly the same once you have this in alphabetical order, because they'll be right on top of each other and they're very easy to spot. So what I've done for the purpose of this tutorial, I did create a duplicate listing of my Democracy Absolution skinny jeans that you see here at the top, these ones. So I'm going to pretend I don't know I have a duplicate, and I'm just coming in here to see. So when you're in your catalog, you want to go along the top where it says title and push the little tiny teal up arrow. If you want to filter this so you're only looking at items that aren't sold, you can do that. And now my listings are in alphabetical order. And as you scroll down, you can keep an eye out for any duplicate listings. And we'll stumble upon the two Democracy pairs of jeans I have. Oh no, this is a duplicate listing. What do I do? First, you want to make sure you end the duplicate item on any listing platforms it's on. You don't want to make multiple sales on the same item. You don't want to be canceling orders. That's why it's important to look for these duplicate listings. The listing that you know you're going to be deleting, just make sure you end that on any platforms it's listed on. And you can go over here all the way on the right and delete that listing.